a substance that lacks color or has a quality of lightness to it. So, on the other note, before I move on about this etymology, the Greeks thought of ether as not only what fills space, but also was the essence or the air that the gods breathed. So there's this, again, mystical added element to things. So our air is lesser air, and then there's the air of the gods. And again, we're talking Greeks here, so the planets are the gods, right? Direct embodiments of the gods. So here we have that implication. Now, when we're talking about the Greek understanding of the word to incinerate or to burn or to shine, this is also a reference to Prometheus stealing the fire or the air of the gods for mortals. So aside from all of this kind of mystical cosmic interpretation, we also have to consider that ether moves to different words, even down to Ethernet cables. That's because in the 18th century, they were referring to radio as ether. So anything that was invisible had this trademark term ether. So thus we adopted the Ethernet. Also, the word esters also comes from ethers, which means smells. Esters are what they call smells that come off of wine, chemical compositions that produce scent. Again, something invisible, immediately associated with a trademark term that they'll wrap onto everything, ether. Okay, so to move away from that for a bit, then we have to talk about what is really tied to the word, completely tied to the word, and that's this word quintessence. So this is what the alchemists were seeking, was this quintessence pre-chemistry. The quinta, 5, essentia, essence, beingness.